Yeah, I go think I press a like, press a share, press a follow. Welcome back again, people. You know? Yeah, man. You know what we want to talk about today? We are talk about the things that we overlook while going towards our goals and objectives and dreams. You know, you have to acknowledge, say, regardless of where you achieved thus far and where you're trying to go, you have to appreciate the journey. Appreciate the journey for what it is. The obstacles, the milestones that you overcome on your way to the objective you're trying to achieve. Most of the times we're so focused on the objective that we negate the fact, say, yo, hey, I overcome this. We negate the fact, say, hey, I overcome that. You know, we tend to be ungrateful. We tend to overlook the small victories. And they are very important along the path of success that we are on. We have to remember, say, the little things count towards the bigger things. Now we have to appreciate the journey, not just the destination. The journey make the destination worthwhile. How many times have we reached a destination and felt like we have been robbed? Robbed because we never really appreciate the journey. You know, how many times have you ever been on the passenger side of the car and the very same route that you drive every single day, and being on the passenger seat give you a different perspective because you get to appreciate the things along the way that you never got to see when you were the driver. It's the same thing. You know, we take for granted so many things, even life itself. You know, I always tell people on their birthday to look at it. How many people started out probably born the same day, the same minute as you, and has never enjoyed as much things as you have enjoyed during your life thus far. You know, your journey might not be easy, but there are small wins along the way that makes you that you should be appreciative of. Right? We can't just we need to get to this. Yes, we need to get to that, but along that way, what else? You know, life is a little up and down thing. You know, it never smooth yet. And in the grand scheme of things, life will have you just in a survival mode where you know get to stop and take a deep breath and look around and say, hey, I'm alive, I am here, I've done this, I have done that. You know, let me be grateful for these, even though I have not reached where I want to go. You know, life tends to throw in a pathway of, you know, want. As soon as I get this, I want that. As soon as I get that, I want this. And you never really get time for show gratitude for what you have already. You know, and we have to take a step back and look upon what we achieve. And say, wait, but hold on. How many people my age have achieved this? And even though some have done it before me, what did they sacrifice, and would I be able to sacrifice, or would I be willing to sacrifice what they sacrificed to do what they did before me? But at my age and this time in the present time now, this that I have done, how many people can say, yo, I have they have done this that I have done? You know, and probably most of the times not many. And even if many have done it, be appreciative that you're in that group, because many still have not done what you have done. You know? So just one of them things that we tend to be ungrateful sometimes, or you know, not ungrateful, but we lack the emotional intelligence to realize, say, yo, you know, we do some great things. The small victories that we take for granted should not be taken for granted. We should appreciate them. Is it? Alright, people. So bless up on yourself. If you know somebody you think need to hear this, tell them to press a like, press a share, press a follow. You know, subscribe to your thing. You know, yeah, man. Just support you along the way. You know, support the journey, support the movement, and some great things in store. Yeah, man. I remain consistent. I remain consistent just for you. So you just remain consistent for me and just follow up with the channel and press a like, support. You know, you can watch this many times. It don't really matter. As much times as you feel like. Just lay some support. You don't have to give me nothing financially. Just your viewership alone goes a far away. Bless up. I got thinker. Out.